Join me as I dive into the mystery of whether this country could actually vanish from the face of the earth. Imagine a world where an entire nation just disappears. It sounds like a crazy sci-fi movie. But the harsh reality is that it's more possible than you think. Countries are facing unprecedented challenges that could potentially wipe them off the map. From rising sea levels to economic collapse, the threats are very real. Rising sea levels are one of the most pressing issues. As the planet heats up, melting glaciers and ice sheets are causing ocean levels to rise at an alarming rate. Coastal nations are directly in the firing line, with some facing the very real prospect of being submerged underwater. War and conflict are also major contributors. Prolonged battles over resources, territory, or ideology can leave countries devastated and on the brink of collapse. Economic instability is another key factor. When a nation's economy fails, it can have a ripple effect, leading to widespread poverty, inequality, and even famine. The Maldives, for example, is a country on the edge. This island nation in the Indian Ocean is known for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. But it's also one of the most vulnerable countries in the world. Rising sea levels and increased flooding are major concerns, with some predictions suggesting that the entire country could be underwater by the end of the century. Tuvalu, another small island nation, is also facing an uncertain future. With a population of just over 11,000 people. It's a tiny country, but it's also one of the most at risk from climate change. Kiribati, a country in the Pacific, has already started to feel the effects of climate change. Rising sea levels are causing saltwater to flood into freshwater sources, making it difficult for residents to access clean drinking water. The country's president has even bought land in Fiji as a potential refuge for his people. Bangladesh is another country facing significant challenges. With a huge population and a low-lying delta region, it's extremely vulnerable to rising sea levels and extreme weather events. The story of Kiribati's president buying land in Fiji really highlights the urgency of the situation. It's a powerful example of how climate change is not just an environmental issue, but a human one too. The fact that an entire nation is considering relocating due to climate change is a stark reminder of the devastating impact it's having. In conclusion, the threat of countries vanishing from the face of the earth is very real. From rising sea levels to economic collapse, the challenges are numerous. It's essential that we acknowledge these issues and work towards finding solutions. If you have any thoughts on this topic, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like to check out some of our other content.